Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing like a warm smoky eye with a lot of liner and big lashes. I'm just going to go get something to eat today. It's my day off, so I figured I would do my makeup and yeah, and do a little bit of chit-chatting, get ready with me, so to speak. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom you all in and then we'll get started. So yeah, I'm going to start with just this Narcissist Shadow palette. I got this in, well, I'll tell you how I got it. I got it from a lady who sold it to me off the street, literally, on the street. So, I don't know if it was stolen or if it wasn't real, but, I found her on this website, where we do, like, garage sales in town. And so I like looked at the palette and I looked up online the pictures and was like studying the graphics and studying like the ingredients that I could see and if anything was like off, and it looked legit. So whenever I bought it and then I brought it home and took a look at it and I used it, and it's legit. So it's really good. I love this palette. It's the Narcissist Wanted palette. So if you don't have it, I would definitely go get it because it's, out of all the palettes I have, it's one of the best. It is just no fallout, pigmented, sparkly shadows, and it's just different. So, and you're like, but it's a warm palette. I have so many warm shades. Yes, so do I. But this performs differently. So there is a big difference. All right. So I'm just gonna take that light brown shadow and kind of put it in the outer corner and onto the lid, and then we'll see what happens from there. So I filmed earlier a look based off of Rihanna's Wanted, that's not right, Wild Thoughts video, and I just deleted it on accident, so gotta fucking do it again. Super! That'll be the third time I've done it. The third time, because guess what? The first time I filmed it, I didn't have my microphone on. So shit. Today's my day off, so I'll just do it today. So yeah, I'm not just putting this in my crease, and I say crease because I have hooded eyes, so it's a fold. I still have so much eyelash glue on from this weekend and doing that damn Rihanna look twice, just putting on lashes and taking them off. So yeah, I just have a light coat of Shape Tape on my lids. I'm not putting any like translucent powder over that anymore because my skin's so dry that I don't think the shadows are performing as well as they should because they have so much, there's nothing to stick to, so. So if you have really dry skin, powder, just stay away from powder in general. Like I only powder my face very lightly, and that's in like the T-zone, and I barely even do that because my skin is just, I was powdering and I was just looking just dry. And I know whenever like summer comes here and it gets really hot, it's just going to be a freaking, I'm just going to be a sweaty mess. So I'm looking into getting some of that face deodorant. My friend's like, face deodorant, your face stinks? I'm like, shut up, it's sweat for sweat. I'm just blending out those edges lightly. You ever have eyebrow fallout? What the hell is that all about? I literally have like chunks of eyebrow falling out. Now I'm going to go in with that darker shade, and then I'm going to do a red and brown. I'm just going to do this on the outer V, kind of in the crease. Couldn't get, I don't know what I was saying. In the crease. Now I'm going to take that red-brown color. I'm also going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette into the color Hunts. So, if you want to learn how to make extra money in the restaurant industry, I have some tips for you, and they're real easy. Only one of them is having to talk to your tables, which is awesome. So the first one is to wear a watch. And people are like, wear a watch, what does that do? Well, it makes you look more professional, that's what it does. So you're not taking out your phone and looking at it all the time. People don't think you're like not interested in doing your job. So yeah, wear a watch. And yeah, mine's a little busted up, but it is what it is. I got that one off Amazon. Or did I get gifted that? I think my friend Evan gave that to me. But yeah, it was only like $8, if so, $8 to $15 or something like that. So yeah, get a watch. Second one is, now these are real, they're just my reading glasses though, is to wear glasses. And people are like, well, what does wearing glasses do? Well, in society, I feel like we think of people who wear glasses as being more intelligent. And so I figure your tables will see you more as an intelligent human being rather than just a lowly server. So, wearing glasses, that is a way to make money. And this isn't the usual one I wear, but this is a wedding ring that I wear. People are like, a wedding ring? What is a wedding ring going to make you money for? Or how is it going to make you money? Well, I feel like if you're wearing a wedding ring, people see you as a family person, and they want to give you more money. Because, oh, she has a family to take care of. Oh, she's maybe a single mom working in a restaurant. I don't know what fucking people think, but those are my assumptions of what people think when they see that their server has a wedding ring on. I don't know. So, those are the things that help you make money. Now, the thing about the talking situation is, see that Jaclyn Hill palette, man? Freaking fallout. I didn't have any fallout until I put that crap on. Is to see if your tables are owners of pets, and talk to them about their pet. People love talking about their animals, and they will give you more money. So just bond with them over their animals. Oh, yeah, do you have any pictures? Yeah. So just some tips to get tips. So I've got my red, I've got my browns on. I'm going to put a little bit of the dark brown from that NARS palette in my crease, my fold. See, it just disappears. Oh, there it is. I didn't realize I had hooded eyes until I started doing makeup like this and watching tutorials. People are like, hooded eyes? What the fuck are hooded eyes? Oh, when you don't have a real proper crease whenever you're blending your eyeshadow? Oh, that fucking sucks. I'm sorry, people are like, embrace your hooded eyes, they're pretty, blah blah blah. No, I fucking hate them. I've had to adapt to this makeup. Everybody's doing crease shadows, and even deep set eyes are really cool. And I have to fucking worry about if my eyeshadow is gonna transfer up to on my lid into where I look like a fool. So I'm gonna go check my mail. Okay, I got something in the mail. Let's open it real quick. I don't think it's anything fun. Either it's earrings or bobby pins. And I think it's bobby pins. Yep. Just a thing of bobby pins for $1. Woohoo, it's so exciting. That is one thing I do like about Wish, is like getting little things like that. Bobby pins, safety pins, you know, real pins, anything like that. Just like little stuff that you need around the house that you didn't think you need, like hair ties and stuff like that. They're really cheap. So, alright, let's finish these eyes. Alright. Okie dokie, now I'm going to go ahead and put on some eyeliner and some lashes, and I'll be done. Oh wait, I'm going to tight line too. Tight line. I see that my eyeshadow has skipped a bunch in the inner corner. Because I'm older and I have more wrinkly lids than the rest. Let's blend that in real quick. So I've done my eyeliner, just roughly, and then I'm going to put the NYX liner over it. Alright, I'm just going to put some mascara and lashes on, but first I'm going to tight line. If you don't know what tight lining is, it's basically taking eyeliner and putting in your waterline. Not only your bottom waterline, but your upper waterline. I'm doing this to get my eyes color to pop. It does make your eyes look a lot smaller, but I'm okay with that. I'm just using my Smashbox gel liner. All of the stuff in it will be in the description box of everything I'm using today, so if you want to buy it. You know, watching people tight line is gross. Weirds me out, at least. Alright, now lashes. I'm just using these lashes that I got from Wish. I'll link those down below too. They're just pretty tall. You'll see what I mean when I put them on. See how that makes my eyes pop? When I have my contacts in, it makes them pop too. It's just like, booyah. Booyah! My cat's like, what the fuck? So yeah, I used the Jaclyn Hill palette today, and I used the NARS Issist palette today, and Smashbox eyeliner, NYX eyeliner, Almay eyeliner, Coty Airspun, Tarte Shape Tape, Bye Bye Under Eye by It Cosmetics. So all those will be linked down in the description below. I'm just doing the eyelash dance right now, so Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Beautiful colors and lots of fallout. Lots of fallout. Jeez. Nothing I own has that much fallout. Should be dry enough. See what I mean by tall? I love these lashes. I just ordered more of them today. I'll let this set for a minute and then I'll put on the other ones and then I'll squish them together. These I accidentally pulled off a piece, so I just took another piece from another piece of lash and put it in the middle. Fix it. Because I was like, no! Damn it! See how tall those are? I'm going to put on some of Tardiest lip paint in Festival. Colored my eyebrow in a little bit more. It looks a little bare there. Bare there. Cool. Alright guys, so that's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe before you leave. And yeah, I hope you all have a great day and I'll see you all on the flip side. Bye.